Today I have this 22 karat colored diamond ring, this gents ring. What I have done is I've rolled out a piece of metal already. I have welded one side, but I thought I'd take the time to show you welding the other side. So I have a piece of metal in there already. First thing I'm going to do is put boric acid and alcohol. And then I'm going to start to warm up the rings. You know, having control of your torch is critical with this. Okay, I've warmed it up. I'm going to put some flux on it. Now I'm going to come in. It takes quite a bit of heat because I'm working with heavy metal and it's 22 karat. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to warm the ring up. Notice I'm going back and forth, and metal is just starting to melt now. My piece that I have in there. So I'm going to work all of it close. And here I go with the first section going in place. There we go. And there's the side. And now I'm going to get this side. And then I'm going to get the inside. And there we have it. There it's done. So I'll have no seams and less chance of seeing, if I use solder, it'd been 21 karat solder. And good chance of seeing it. But this way, once I clean it up, it will look like it. I never did anything. That's what my hope is. So there's this job.